Hi guys, oh my goodness. So good morning and happy, I think today's Friday, and I'm sorry I haven't been uploading a video, but don't worry, there will be a video tonight. It's a Target haul. I filmed that last week and I'm supposed to upload that last Monday, but I'm just so busy at work and I couldn't find a time to edit the videos that I filmed last week. So I'm gonna be vlogging today, and also today's agenda is gonna be cleaning the house, studio. Also, I think I'm gonna try to cook that famous pasta on TikTok right now, like the trendy TikTok pasta, like the feta cheese. I have to get some feta dough, like the feta block cheese. We do have the crumbled one, but it's like not enough. And I'm also just gonna add on like shrimp because there's literally no meat on some of the videos that I saw, but I'm just gonna add some shrimp so we have like a little meat on that pasta. But anyways, I want to show you guys what I got from Amazon. So I also saw this on TikTok, of course. Why am I so dark? We're so light now. Okay, so I saw this on TikTok, and there are these like I have a jean, I have two mom jeans that are a little bit loose, and I've been having a hard time, like, what do I do to keep these jeans in my hips? And I saw this this is the button pins for like jeans, and it's supposed to, like, you just poke this in your like jeans and it's supposed to kind of like help. And I got some lashes from this brand. I'm gonna put the name here, the name handle, but this is like the 20-piece faux eyelashes, which is freaking a lot, but it's amazing. Let me just double check the price because I believe they're a little bit cheaper. And you guys know that I just got a pair of lashes from Ardell, and also if you know me, that I do love the Miss A lashes. This one is $12.86 from Amazon. Yeah, they're $12 and 20 of them, which is, they have like different style. I would say 1, 2, 3, they're like 4 different styles, and they're only like $12, like $13. So that's the only 2 that I got from Amazon. And I'm also gonna reorder my matcha from Amazon because I am like out of my matcha that I ordered from Amazon, which is amazing. And before we proceed, I want to show you I got a PR package from Nails Addict from Los Angeles. So I received this package yesterday, and they sent me their mini UV or LED lamp. That's what it looked like. Thank you so much. I think her name is Maruna for sending this to me. And she also let me pick 6 colors of the this is their gel polish. So I picked up, of course, this is Breaking News, this color right there. I have this like light green one, like a sage green color. This is Second Chance. I have the white. I have here, I feel like this is like a nude Sea Swing and Sun. This is like a nude one. And I have, of course, I have the black one. Okay, my camera focus. The black one right there, and it's their logo as well. And I also have their aqua blue right there. So I can't wait to try this. Maybe later I'm gonna try to paint my nails, toenails as well later, maybe like later tonight or maybe tomorrow, because I'm excited to try this on my toes. And also I think I'm gonna paint, I've been loving this color. I think I'm gonna paint the Second Chance, which is a little cute green, light sage green color, or I don't know, or maybe like the nude one. I don't know what to choose. But yeah, thank you so much, Maruna, for sending me this cute nail gel polish. Hey guys, I'm here at the parking lot of the grocery store real quick because like I said earlier, I'll be making some pasta, and I thought I have a pasta noodle, but I don't. And I'm also gonna get some little groceries, and but yeah, let's just go to the grocery store. Hi, here inside. Gonna get some black beans, like canned black beans. I got some oat milk, some creamer, I got some yogurt, some feta cheese. I also have some plantains and basil. This is the pasta that I'll be using for tonight actually. Got some green beans and some chips. Some pasta. Got the feta cheese. I'm gonna add some mushroom, and here's the tomato, and this is the seasoning that I'll be using. Salt, pepper. I'm gonna add some whole oregano, onion powder, minced onion, Italian seasoning, crushed pepper, garlic powder, and extra virgin oil. And this is the pasta. I also got the basil. Like, hi, you ready for the pasta? Are you ready for the pasta, baby? She likes to eat some shrimp, so I'm gonna add shrimp on the pasta as well. I know in the videos on TikTok that I see they only have like tomatoes, but I have this mushroom and I don't want it to go bad, so I'm just gonna add some mushroom. And I also like mushroom on my pasta, so I'm just gonna add some mushroom. So I put all the seasoning here and some olive oil. Bake it for 30 minutes. Here's my shrimp. I also just put some seasoning on the shrimp, and I'm just gonna cook this for like 2 minutes so I can mix this with the pasta. Cooking the shrimp, and I'm also waiting for this water to boil so I can cook the pasta. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna smash the feta cheese now, and the shrimp is done as well, and so is the pasta. Hi guys, it is snowing today. I'm happy because I don't have to drive while it's snowing, but anyway, today is a Sunday and I took some pictures today outside. I'm gonna put a picture here on the screen. My husband actually took a picture of me. I convinced him to take photos of me even though we both don't want it, but I like the view outside and the snow. It's just really nice. But anyways, so today is filming day slash I think it's Super Bowl today. I think it's Super Bowl today. So yeah, I'm gonna try to film at least 2 videos today. It's gonna be the how I get brands to reach out to me, or like some tips that I you know, get, so brands can like send me stuff and also pay me as well to like endorse their product. So that's gonna be the 2 major videos that I will be filming today. And I just have to clear my space, like this space right here, because it's a little bit messy. And also I need, after this, I like literally need to clean the house as well, and also wash our laundry, because I need to wash our laundry. And I want to show you guys what I got from the thrift store yesterday. My friend and I went thrifting, and we also take some photos as well. So I have like a lot of, I'm trying to upload pictures on Instagram, like content on Instagram, as much as I want to upload every single day. It's really hard because I work, I have a job, and the only time I take pictures is like on the weekend. So yes, I will be trying to take more photos, like shoot on the weekdays like 3 to 4 different outfits. Plus it's really getting cold here and it's really hard to shoot while it's like really cold. Sometimes it's like windy, and my friends and I don't really want to shoot because it's windy. But anyways, I want to show you guys what I got from the thrift store yesterday. So actually my friend paid for this, actually paid for this. It's only like $2 on one each pair, but I don't have any cash. If you guys know me, I don't really carry cash. But thank you Ashley for paying this. So I got here 2 pair of pants, and we have like a little thrift store near where I live. So I got this pants, like this brown pants, and the brand is Columbia. I was really shocked. I thought a pair of pants like this cost like maybe at least $4 or $5 at, you know, thrift store prices, but I was shocked when the cashier told me, well, your total is $2.12. I'm like, what? $1 for these pants? And they look amazing. I also found this like cute, like, what's the color? It's like gray trouser, and I also love some trousers. I have a lot of trousers from Zara and I really love them, and I don't know, those are just like my staple piece. And when I saw this, I'm like, I'm gonna get this because I don't have a gray trouser. I have like a lot of, I have a black one, brown one, and nudes. I don't really have gray, and I've seen this girl on Instagram that she's been rocking like a gray trouser, so hopefully this will also fit me, and this is also just $1. So yes, I'm gonna try to pay my friend Ashley back for $2 because I didn't like carry cash like I said. So that's that. So let me just clean up my how do you call this, my studio, so I can film.